What do you want out of life?
I don't know. To be happy?
To be happy.
I want the American dream. I want to be happy.
The professor said to me, you can never measure happiness. Now, why they thought you could measure depression, which they were all doing, but you couldn't measure happiness, I'm not sure.
This is a paradise to me. That's why I love it so much. And then you don't know what you're gonna see.
When I was run over by a truck, my whole life changed.
There is a great deal you can do on a regular basis to become happier.